Hello and welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. You guys, Shiba Inu is at a crossroads and the stakes are even higher than ever freaking before. There's a rare mini death cross that has just flashed in the charts, and that is a signal that could either spell doom for SHIB holders or maybe set the stage for a good rebound. But here's a twist, right? While technicals are suggesting bearish momentum, because we love technicals on this channel, the SHIB burn rate has just surged by about 280%, and it's removed about 12.5 million tokens from circulation. Now, you guys, that is a massive supply shock, and history does tell us that scarcity often leads to big moves. So the question is, will SHIB break through the key resistance and surge? Or are we looking at another major correction? And look, if you're holding SHIB or thinking of jumping in or just watching from the sidelines, this is literally the updates you don't want to miss. I'm going to dive into stats. I'm going to dive into the chart. I'm going to give you guys some news and fundamentals just so we can make some good estimations on where it's going next. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you stay till the end so you don't miss any of these stats. And let's jump right into the chart. So you guys can see I've been trading. It's going to be a little bit of a choppy market. My BTC chart here is telling us we've broken that channel. But for SHIB, we can see it followed suit with BTC. You guys, oh my God, as always, you guys, you need to use the trend lines that we draw. They literally work flawlessly. Watch the channel, watch the trades, and take some of your own. But literally, we had this trend line drawn 2 days ago, right? Because we were waiting for it to break. If you would have caught the breakout, that's a 5.27%. If you use BTCC, all you need to do is go here, open it like this, and then you have the capability right here to leverage this at whatever you would like, right? So you can do 50x, 25x, 30, whatever fits your budget and strategy would be my recommendation. But that would have been an easy ride and an easy come down. It literally went from this resistance point that we have drawn weeks ago. Like, look, you guys were talking about that point, right? We drew that, and now we're waiting to see, is it going to break down to here? Is it going to make it to this old support point, or will it come right back up to that resistance? But the bad news is it could not break out of that resistance, right? So fundamentally, it might be good, but technical analysis wise, it's looking pretty bad, right? And then we look at BTC, see that BTC is out on the downtrend. So it's going to be a little bit of a difficult ride the next couple of days in the market unless we get some sort of catalyst. But now the good thing is, news-wise, right, there are some fundamentals that should hopefully be helping. The negatives, SHIB just did trigger a mini death cross. And that's where two EMAs cross below each other. So we've got the 200 EMA, and I like to use the 55. But whenever they cross, we get a bearish indication that there is a potential short-term. It's kind of a bad one, too. It's because it happened just recently. It happened right here. This death cross occurred, and then we're kind of getting a little bit of a fake out of a golden cross, so it makes it a little difficult. That's why it's not necessarily the perfect analyzer telling us where it's going to go, but we know that there is still going to be some bearish selling momentum, right? Now, currently, SHIB is trading at around 0.00018 or 19. It is marking a slight recovery from the recent low that we hit of that resistance, right? Or it became support. Now, however, significant resistance is remaining at that top number of the 0.0001964 or 0.002 or so. So that's a little negative. We want to get past that. But here's where things do get interesting, you guys. Despite all this technical analysis that's bearish right now, SHIB's burn rate has gone up. Right, we've gone up by 280%, and we've removed about 12.5 million tokens from circulation. Okay, now this is just in the last 24 hours, and this burn event actually reduces supply, which increases scarcity, which should start supporting some price appreciation, and if not now, at least in the long run, because all these burns are very good for us in the long run. Now, additionally, fundamentally, you guys, they're launching SHIB OS. And this is basically a blockchain-based operating system. And it's supposed to be generating fresh interest within the ecosystem. Now, on the technical side, a MACD crossover with the green histogram bar will suggest that there's going to be some buying pressure, hinting at a possible short-term bounce. Now, analysts are closely watching the 0.00019 as a breakout level. And if SHIB can hold above that zone and that white line that I had just shown past that, where we drew here, if we can just get past that, we're gonna consolidate a good position, right? And if she can hold above the zone, all these bearish indicators will turn bullish. Okay, so simple question. Do we think SHIB is in trouble, or is this just a temporary dip before we get some good consolidation and a good major run up? Now, this mini death cross that keeps moving back and forth on the lower time frames, something you got to keep a watch on. But the burn rate of SHIB keeps growing, and the ecosystem could keep growing, which in tail could set a good comeback for us, right? What do you guys think? Will SHIB break resistance or fall to new lows? Look, drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're trading meme coins, please don't forget taxes is here. Government needs those reports. We got you. We do it. We do it all manually, coin by coin, and we make sure you're covered. So click the link below. You guys, there's two links for you. There's the BTCC free money link where you get a deposit bonus. And then there's the BCM link. Right now, we've got a little bit of space for meetings because we're starting to fill up and tax season's almost here. So we'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. It means the world to us. But do let me know in the comments below, what projects are you most excited about? And until next time, everybody, stay informed, stay prepared, and stay ahead. Peace.